I'm sure to many mechanical keyboard enthusiasts, what I'm about to say is going to hit a bit too close to home, but I've spent a higher than average amount of time on Reddit this new year. And with this time, I've seen a lot of keyboards, including many split keyboards, but I've surprisingly seen a lack of dactyl keyboards. In fact, I kind of forgot about them until I saw a post very similar to the one on screen right now. And honestly, it's kind of upsetting, because I personally really enjoy how the dactyl keyboard looks. A lot of people probably just see them as weird, but I'm a huge fan of its uniqueness. So, as anyone in my situation would, my first instinct was to find out how to get my hands on one and or the parts to build one. Unfortunately, I found that many cases regularly available were 3D printed and way overpriced. Not to mention a fully built one would cost me over $350. It's then that I thought to myself, well, maybe I could try building one. I'm sure it's not that bad. And that's how I found myself on Thingiverse, downloading the files required to print a case and started the long wait process of printing that case. So, remember when I said building this thing couldn't be that bad? I was wrong. I watched multiple hours worth of tutorials on building a dactyl keyboard and came to the conclusion that I am not ready yet. However, fear not, because this project is not lost, but instead just postponed. Before I handwire a keyboard that, I shit you not, uses a telephone cable, I'm going to first handwire a more normal keyboard, so expect a video on that in a few weeks. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, you know what to do, and if you didn't, make sure to take advantage of the dislike button while it's still there. I plan on being much more consistent with my content into the new year, and I hope to see you all follow me on the ride. Till next time, see you later.